This is allrover, and in this lecture we are going to see about the difference between the function expression and the normal function from the function hosting point of view. We have studied the function hosting, what the function hosting was. It is raising, hosting is nothing but raising the declaration of any function or any variable. We have studied the variable hosting and the function hosting. In variable hosting, the declaration of variable was raised up on the top of the code, means on the topmost thing was all the declaration of the variable, even if you have initialized the variable at the last line. And the function hosting is the declaration of the function in on the top of the code, means declaration thing is present on the top portions of the code. So we will be seeing the difference between the function expression and the normal function from the hosting point of view. In the earlier lecture we have seen the difference that we can't call the function with its name, but in this we will be seeing the difference from the hosting point of view. So this is the example code. I will be explaining this code. In first line we have console.log fact5. We are calling the function fact5. So what the fact function is, first we will be seeing. Fact is nothing but calculating the factorial of any variable, a factorial of n. It is a simple function where answer is initialized with 1 and we are returning the answer. After that I have commented this line because this line is going to show you error. In this line what I have done, console.log factorial 5. This is the factorial is the function expression, and the function is it is the anonymous function expression. There are two types of function expression, anonymous function expression and the what we call named function expression. So this is the anonymous function expression, and in this we have calculated the factorial of the value n and we are returning the answer. So we will not be able to call the factorial function expression, but we will be able to call the fact function, because function hosting is there, but there is no hosting will be there if it is function is represented as the function expression. So if this is the function expression and before that we have called the factorial function expression, so this line is going to show you error. And after all this we have again called the fact5 and the factorial 5. 23 line number is not going to show you error because in the above lines factorials is already present, but line number 2 is going to show you error. First I will run it in the when the second line is commented, and after that I will remove the comment and I will run, and you will see that it is going to show you error. You can see that now it is not showing any error and the output is correct. Now I am removing this second line. I am hard refreshing, Ctrl+R, and must remember to do hard refresh because cache memory will be stored, and without refreshing, if you will run this code again after removing the console window or clearing the console window, then it is not going to show you error because the editor is knowing that the factorial function expression is present in the code. So now I am running it. You can see that the error is given factorial is not a function, because the editor is not able to know that whether factorial function expression is available in the editor or not because of function hosting. So this is the difference between the function expression and the normal function from the function hosting point of view. So thank you so much for watching. Keep following in the next lecture. Thank you very much.